Today, we are going to train your English voice to use although and because. Sometimes we want to say two contrasting, which mean opposite things, in a sentence. One being possibly negative and the other positive. We can then use although. So have a look at the sentence example. Although it rained yesterday, we still enjoyed playing crazy golf. So we could look at the first part of the sentence, it rained yesterday, as something negative because we were playing crazy golf. And the second part of the sentence, we still enjoyed playing crazy golf. That is something positive. So we used the word although to bring them together. So although it rained, which could be seen as negative, we still enjoyed playing crazy golf. Let's have a look at another example. Although Tom is sick, he ran in the school race. So here are two contrasting things. Tom is sick, which is negative. He ran in the school race. That is something positive, but they are contrasting. So here we used the word although to bring these two contrasting things together in one sentence. Let's have a look at one more example using although. Although she was very tired, she didn't sleep. So these two parts of the sentence are contrasting, because you would think if she was very tired that she would sleep, but she didn't sleep. It's contrasting. So we used the word although to join these two contrasting things together in one sentence. When we want to say two related things in a sentence, we can use because. It goes in the middle of the two related things. So let's have a look at the first two sentences. We couldn't go on the bus stop tour yesterday. It rained yesterday. So we can join these two sentences together. They are two related things by using the word because. We couldn't go on the bus stop tour yesterday because it rained. So here we join them together and the two parts are related. The reason we couldn't go on the bus stop tour is because of the rain. Let's have a look at another example. She drank some water because she was thirsty. So here is the reason that she drank water. So these two parts of the sentence are related and they are joined by the word because. So now we know why she drank some water, because she was thirsty. And one last example using because. She went scuba diving because she enjoys seeing ocean animals. So the first half of the sentence and the second half are related. The reason she went scuba diving is because she enjoys seeing ocean animals. Excellent job using although and because. Well done. Goodbye.